Hey, let me show you how you can open hidden testing menu on the POCO X6 Pro. So first you will have to go to the settings, then select about phone, and now from here you will have to go into the detailed info and the specifications. And from here you will have to keep tapping on the internal storage. And now, as you can see, we are on the testing menu. So here you can check some phone information. For example, the IMEI number of your phone. You can run the ping test. When you go back, you can also find this second information, but it actually looks the same, I guess. There's like no difference. And when you click on this three dots in the right upper corner, you can enable data connection, view service dialing numbers, view fixed dialing numbers. From here, you can also go to the Wi-Fi information and check the Wi-Fi status. You can view config and view API. So that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.